The electric screwdriver has 7 torque settings, with an electric mode torque of 0.5 to 6 Nm and a manual torque of 10 Nm. It is equipped with a high-definition display that can show the torque level, battery status, and direction. Simply touch the screen to adjust the settings. There is a one-touch switch for adjusting screwing in and out. There are 6 LED lights on the front, arranged in a circular pattern. When the button of the electric screwdriver is pressed, the LED lights will automatically turn on and turn off automatically after 10 seconds of inactivity. It provides 360 illumination, with no blind spots, ensuring even dark corners are well lit. Locked rotor protection. When the rotor is jammed and unable to rotate, the protection device will quickly activate to cut off the power supply, preventing the motor from burning out due to overheating in a short period. The motor can be restarted 1 second after releasing the working button. This function is available for settings 1 to 6, but not for setting 7. It has a built-in 3.7V 2500 mAh high-capacity battery. After a full charge, it can be used continuously for 2.5 hours and can tighten 1000 screws. With a Type-C charging cable, it can be fully charged in 1.5 hours. It comes with 32 pieces of 5 types of H6 to 5mm interface specification bits and a 6 cm magnetic extension rod, suitable for disassembly, assembly, and repair of various furniture, household appliances, doors and windows, toys, bicycles, and water and electricity pipeline equipment. Equipped with a PC holder, plus upper cover for the bits, making it easy to store and preventing the bits from getting lost. A magnetizer. Demagnetizer is provided to magnetize the bits to hold screws, solving the problem of screws easily falling off during disassembly and assembly. The bits are made of CRV chrome vanadium steel, featuring high hardness, high strength, wear resistance, and corrosion resistance. The electric screwdriver has a PC Plus ABS shell with a surface painting.